Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and upgrade to Revolut Premium. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So simply go ahead and open your Revolut application to upgrade to Revolut. So simply open the app, then log in into your account. Then all you need to do is tap on your profile icon, usually which is on the top left corner. Then select your plan and then tap on See Plans to view available options. Select the premium plan from the list and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and instantly change your plan. There are a couple of things you need to know. So your upgrade takes effect immediately and your billing cycle updates. Also, paid plans are for a 12-month term with options for monthly and annual payments. And then premium offers perks such as better foreign exchange rates, travel insurance, and subscriptions to services like Freeletics, Headspace, and Tinder Plus. I hope this video clarified a lot. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.